If you're considering Landbot, there are 7 things you need to know before buying. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to consider, comparing it to other chatbot software, so you can make an informed decision before jumping in. Stick around till the end, and you'll learn how to try Landbot completely free through the first link in the description, where you can get some exclusive benefits as well. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to know is that Landbot is not just a chatbot. It's an entire conversational platform. Unlike many other tools that simply automate conversations, Landbot's drag-and-drop interface allows you to build complex, interactive workflows without any coding experience. This makes it super accessible for marketers, customer service teams, and anyone who needs to create seamless conversations. When you compare it to competitors like Intercom or Drift, you'll find that Landbot's no-code interface stands out for being user-friendly and intuitive. Next thing to keep in mind is the integrations. Landbot integrates with over 50 platforms, including popular CRMs, email marketing tools, and analytics platforms. This is crucial if you're already using tools like HubSpot or Zapier. Unlike other chatbot solutions that either limit or complicate integrations, Landbot makes it easy to connect with your existing tools, giving you flexibility and saving you time in the long run. The third thing to know is that Landbot offers multi-channel support. You can deploy your chatbot not just on your website, but also on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and even over SMS. This is especially valuable if your business operates across multiple channels and you need a unified solution to manage customer interactions. Competitors like ManyChat focus more on social media platforms, but Landbot really shines in offering cross-channel capabilities without requiring multiple subscriptions or logins. Now, the fourth thing you should know is about pricing. Landbot has a freemium model, and you can start building chatbots for free right away. However, the more advanced features, like AI-driven conversations or advanced analytics, come at a cost. It's worth noting that compared to other premium platforms like Drift or Intercom, Landbot's pricing is competitive, especially if you're just starting or running a smaller business. If you're on the fence about committing to the paid plan, their free trial lets you explore a lot of features before deciding. Next thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. While Landbot is known for being user-friendly, setting up more advanced features, like conditional logic or multi-step workflows, can take some time. If you're looking for something that's completely hands-off from day one, you might find competitors like Tidio to be easier to implement initially. However, if you're willing to invest a little time into learning the platform, the rewards are worth it, as you can create highly personalized user experiences. The sixth thing is their customer support. Landbot offers live chat, email support, and a robust help center, making it easy to get help whenever you need it. This is especially important for anyone new to building chatbots. While many competitors have solid support, what sets Landbot apart is the community forums where users actively share tips, templates, and best practices. If you get stuck, it's likely someone else has already had the same issue and posted a solution. And finally, the last thing to know before buying Landbot is scalability. Whether you're running a small business or an enterprise-level organization, Landbot can scale with you. They offer plans that cater to both small teams and larger businesses, and their features adapt to whatever size your company grows into. Compared to other platforms, Landbot offers more flexibility, which can be a big win as your needs evolve over time. So, there you have it, the 7 things you need to know before buying Landbot. Remember, if you want to try out Landbot for yourself, click the first link in the description to get access to a free trial and some exclusive benefits. If you're looking for a powerful, customizable, and user-friendly chatbot platform, Landbot might just be the right fit for you.